Howdy, folks. This here song is from a band that I play music with called Bingley and the Rogues, and we got ourselves a children's album called Critical Hit. So now here's one of the hits from that album by my band, Bingley and the Rogues. Slept through my alarm and I was running out the door. I grabbed a pair of pants that I saw lying on the floor. Jumped onto the bus and saw a seat next to my friend. But I could not sit down because them pants, they would not bend. These ain't my pants that I'm wearing. Something about them just ain't sitting right. These ain't my pants, so please stop staring. They're way too short and squeezing me too tight. Everyone just laughs at me as I stride down the hall. I'm walking kind of weird cause I can't feel my legs at all. These pants look like they're painted on. Whose are they anyway? I feel like such a nincompoop, it's ruining my day. These ain't my pants that I'm wearing. Something about them just ain't sitting right. So please stop staring. They're way too short and squeezing me too tight. When I got home, my mom, she just took one look at me and said, "Why are you wearing your brother's pants? They're too small, don't you see?" I said, "I know, Mom, I spent the whole dang day in these silly jeans. So go on